Alright guys, we're here with the driver of the number 78 bomber, Caitlin Wilcox, aka Buck.
What's up guys?
So tell me, what do you expect out of this weekend?
I expect to, where I started in the back last weekend, got a feel for the car. Where he places me to start, I'm going to try it and see how comfortable I feel starting where he starts me.
So judging by last week, Mike came off and Jeremiah came off. I think you'd start third?
Well,
I think you'll start third.
Well, last weekend I was supposed to start third.
Yeah, I think you'll start third this weekend. So you'll be inside, second row back.
So I'll either be behind Jonathan or Brandon.
And what's the game plan for the race?
Don't wreck the car and just go out there and have fun.
That's right. So, do you feel like you learned anything from last week?
I do. And from watching footage on the GoPro, I could tell where I was running and where I need to be running.
And what else did you learn?
Not to ride the brakes.
Okay. Was the car tight?
It was, only because...
Was it tight at the beginning?
No.
It got tighter and tighter?
Because I was riding my brakes.
Very good. So, you need to use brakes, but you need to moderate them so you're not using them, not riding them the whole race.
Yes.
So, you're limited on horsepower. Momentum is everything through the corner and down the straightaway. That's the only way you're going to be able to carry momentum. So, we want to minimize using the brakes as much as we can.
Yes.
We got a front-wheel drive car here. So, what that means is on exit, when you feel it kind of wanting to push up toward the wall, the natural tendency is to get off the gas. That's the wrong thing.
Stay on the gas, otherwise you're going to spin out.
No. The front end is pulling you. The tires that are pulling is the front. So, if you've got the wheel turned and you start easing back into the gas, it's going to pull you out of the corner. See what I'm saying?
Like yours.
No, mine steers by the back.
Oh, yeah.
Mine's a rear drive. Yours is front wheel drive. It's a little different. So, when you feel like it's wanting to push, play with the throttle up and down, and try and find that balance where it doesn't want to push out and it's wanting to pull you through the corner. But if it's still going to the corner, then you got to get off and check up. Because you don't want to push up into somebody else.
And I don't want to overdrive the corner either.
Exactly. So, any closing thoughts?
Just go out there and have fun.
Gonna take the car in one piece. Anybody you want to thank before get this racing started out at the track and it's hectic crazy?
I want to thank all of my sponsors.
Who are they? Oh, you gotta go read the car again?
I have so many sponsors. Morrison Funeral Home, Tree Trouble, High Poly Art.
I can't follow all of yours.
Love Towing.
Now you gotta go.
Pro Star Dairy Service. Follow me and we'll go around to the back.
You go around, I'm going over. Now I'm upside down. Okay, let's start with Greer's.
Carter's.
Oh, let's start with Greer's.
Greer's, Dad's Battery, Turner Chiropractic, Fleet Pride, Kilgore, Minidoka Family Chiropractic, and Minidoka Memorial Hospital.
Hey, you got 2 chiropractors on there.
I do.
You know 3's a lucky number.
I know. I need to find a 3rd chiropractor.
Travis from Fleming. Travis Fleming. He's a chiropractor.
I did not know that. And Carter's.
Carter's. And
Mom and Dad. Hi, guys. And S.W.E Racing.
That would be me. All right, guys. We got the car all loaded up. Everything's loaded up. We're going to wrap this up, and we'll see you at the track.
Yep.
Bye. Heat race, guys. It's been raining. Track's slick. We'll see what happens. Outside pole starts second. Hope she can hold on to it. I don't know how many laps they're doing in their heat race, but we're getting ready to come to green. Green, green, green. They're slipping and sliding already. She's trying to get the lead. And Jeremiah Shoup just spins it out.
Jeremiah Shoup spins out.
Out in the lead. And Papa Shrek goes for a ride. Oh, and there goes Brandon. She's got a lead. If they stay green. Ah, caution. Ah, caution. Dang it. That was her chance to win. It's slick out there, guys. It's like driving in the rain. Sorry if the camera's shaking, it's cold. We'll re-rack them and see what happens.
First right now, followed by 16 Adam Rock.
Okay. Got one rule. And then a fight.
She's a very smart driver. She won't overdrive it and wreck the car. So we'll see if she can hold on to it, if she's got enough car with this weather. We got her set up pretty good, I think. They're choosing high or low. This is something new they're trying with them to see if it'll work. That's not good with the van behind her because he's pretty aggressive. He'll try to get around her. So hopefully he takes it easy knowing she's a rookie. And they're going green. Green, green, green. Let's go. Gonna have to go a little faster than that. She got it. She's pulling away. She's pulling away. Come on. Come on, you got it. Drive it, drive it. Oh, that's just the green now? She's off and running. She's off and running. Good thing we tightened that car up a little. That's another caution probably. No, they're going to keep it green. Come on, keep going, girl. Keep going. Keep going. Here comes Papa Shrek trying to make a run for the front. Come on. Come on. Come on. Drive that car. Drive it. Drive it. Come on. Come on. Give me a white flag. Come on, give me a white flag. How many laps are they doing? Papa Shrek's coming, boys. Come on. Come on. He is driving that thing in a ton. Come on. How many laps are they doing? White flag. Come on, come on. She got the checkers. She got it, baby. S.W.E Racing, that's how we do it. Woo! First E race win! S.W.E 1-2.
Yes!
They need to move the safety trucks.
I know.
Mr. Dizzy.
So after we have what a guy. More to come later on.
Going out for the main. See if we can do it again. All right. We'll see you on the track. All right, guys. Here we go with the Bombers. I wish I could film from the infield. I wish I could go to the infield and film it. All right. Well, she won the heat race. I think we got the car pretty good. Hopefully she can hold off and get a good lead out front and Papa Shrek won't catch her. But if we come home 1-2 with S.W.E Racing built cars, I'll be happy with that. The big bad bully.
Out there in that beautiful minivan out of Gerard, sponsored by KJ's Pharmacy 98, that's Mike Miller.
Come on, Shoopy, get up there.
Sponsored by Lakeland Motors. Mountain View Christian Center, Chatsworth Foundation, Dad's Battery.
I should have put on some gloves. Hands are cold. Get up there with them, baby. There you go.
Straight shot automotive, the 33 out there, that's Brandon Adams.
Doubling it up.
And we're sorry, it's up there for us out. Rupert, Idaho. The number 9, Papa Shrek, welcome to finish.
There we go. There's your field of Bombers for tonight. Reach up, grab those belts, tighten them up, let's get her. Get up there with him. Get up there more with him. Get up there with him. Get up, get up, get up. Get on him. Get on him. Get on him. Get up closer to him. There you go. Straight to the front. Goodbye. Take off, girl. Leave them. Get out front and leave them. Got a nice little lead, hopefully no caution, and that's enough to get her away from them. We need Papa Shrek to get up to Brandon, slow him down. Come on. Push that car, girl. Drive it. Come on. How many laps are they doing? 15? Oh, don't cut the corner off like that, girl. See, make it tight in the corner doing that. Get it up. Go up. There you go. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Papa Shrek's coming off. Move up. Alright, that's one less competition. I think we might get this if we stay green. Come on. Come on. She needs to move up higher down the straightaway. Quit pitching the corner off. You're doing good. Have they done halfway yet? That's halfway right there. Come on. Drive that thing, girl. Drive it. Come on. If you keep holding that bottom, she's going to make the car tight. Go up further. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You got this, baby. Come on. Let's not make the car tight, though. Let's go up. She gone. No, Mike. Mike, no. Go. Go, Mike. Watch him merging back on. Come on. Come on. Let's go, baby. 5 to go. Guess what? You're going to be buying a new front tire. I said you're going to be buying a new right front tire. 4 to go. Come on. You got it, girl. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Get some. She's going to be crying in victory lane, boys. I guarantee it. Give me a white flag. White flag. White flag. Checkered flag, you got it. Never even seen a white. What's up?
Yes!
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
So, how about we make a lot of noise for
No,
her
leave it down.
as she makes her way out of her car with the
Not yet.
number 78.
Not yet.
Here she is, Karen.
Here, you record.
Yes! Gotta love it. For sure.
Okay, now you put the net in. Woo! Congratulations, baby. Look at that.
Thank you, buddy.
I want hugs for my grandkids.
Yes.
This is Bentley, my grandson.
Special
This is Emerson, my granddaughter.
celebration down here.
Woo!
Absolutely.
What do you think?
My God! Hey, welcome to Victory Lane. First time winner, Kayla Wilcox.
Woo!
Yes. In shock. In shock? What do you mean? You won the heats too.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's her first race win ever. Wow.
There you go, dude. And you got it back to back, right?
Yes.
Who do you want to thank?
I want to thank all my sponsors.
There's so many. All of you guys, we love you.
There's so many of them. I'm going to name off 2 big sponsors. Love Towing out of Ogden, Utah, and Carter's.
And all you other guys, we appreciate everything you do.
And I got to thank Mom and Dad and S.W.E Racing.
Woo!
Well, congratulations, man. I'm so happy for you. First career win ever right here. Jalen Wilcox. Everybody, how about one more big round of applause? Yeah! Filter Bomber main event winner. The number 78 is Jalen Wilcox.
Eat it,
Let me take
baby.
it back to the tower.
You want me to drive it off? Yeah, take pictures.
Babe, you got to be in the picture. Got to see the number.
Can't block the number.
Can't block the number, guys.
Here.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Here, now let me get it. All right, guys, we're here with the winner, the number 78, Caitlin, aka Buck. So, what do you think?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yes. Excited.
So, how you feel the race turned out? Was it like you expected or no?
It was. I was just waiting to have a little competition at the front.
There was no competition. They wrecked out. You blew them away.
Well, if they hadn't wrecked, I would have been fighting for the win.
With who?
Papa Shrek.
Those Monte Carlos are fast, guys.
Yes, and they had to check our cars.
Yeah, they measured wheelbase on both cars, the Papa Shreks as well as Buck's. I don't know what... I heard a rumor that they thought Papa Shrek had his rear end cocked. I'm like, they don't even have a rear end. They're front-wheel drive. They don't have rear ends. And so they went and measured them. Everything was good. So yeah, she just got out front and took off. So
yeah, after the rain finally stopped, they had the bombers go out and dry the track for everybody, and then they called the bombers off the track and had to get strapped in right away.
So we thank you all for following along.
Yes.
Like, comment, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, guys. We got a lot of people that watch the videos that aren't subscribed. I don't care if you don't ever watch another video. Do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button. It helps us out. We're just a small-time race team, and we need to grow this channel, and we need to get all the subscribers that we can get, and get the algorithm to kick in and send these videos out more. So do us a favor. Please subscribe. Follow along. If you enjoy the videos, keep watching them. They'll keep coming, guys. We build race cars here. We win. We have fun.
Yes.
We have a good family, and we have lots of fun. It's just good fan. We're trying to do more vlog style type videos. They kind of run long doing vlogs, but we'll see what happens.
Yep.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Number 1, her first career ever win, guys. Second time in that car.